The F-22 is a weatherproof, rugged outdoor product built to withstand the elements. The F-22 separates trash from treasure by utilizing innovative target discrimination and ID technologies. When metal objects are detected, the detector will simultaneously emit one of 4 tones, illuminate one of 9 target ID category icons, and a 2-digit target ID number will appear on the screen. Possible target ID numbers range from 1 to 99. This number, tone, and category icon represents the electrical conductivity of the target and can be used to determine the probable ID of the buried target. FE tone, adjustable iron audio control, allows the user to set iron audio levels, making it easy to hear the treasure over trash. This, coupled with the F-22's unparalleled quick recovery speed, allow this unit to further single out treasure in and amongst the trash. Fisher's exclusive, deep-reaching 9-inch triangulated concentric elliptical waterproof search coil penetrates deep underground, easily detecting coin-sized targets at 9+ inches and larger targets at much greater depths. Powerful and versatile enough for the veteran with a customizable hunt mode and adjustable settings, yet simple enough for the novice with easy-to-use turn-on-and-go treasure hunting modes. The F-22 is proudly made in the USA and has an industry-leading 5-year warranty. Fisher F-22, built Fisher tough.
This is the Vanquish metal detector from Minelab. Simple yet powerful, this treasure detector is perfect for anyone starting out or stepping up their detecting game. It's powered by Minelab's multi-IQ engine, the same technology professionals love in the industry's best-selling detector, the Minelab Equinox series. With multi-IQ technology, you get a full range of frequencies that scan and work simultaneously, so you can find all metals in all soils all the time. With Vanquish, nothing goes undetected. With Vanquish Iron Bias, you'll find less trash. And for those who want even greater control, low iron bias provides optimum precision. Vanquish was born ready. Turning it on will automatically run noise cancel, which puts a stop to any electrical interference. With a unique collapsible snap lock system, Vanquish is easy to pack and go. Its lightweight, sleek design means you can detect in comfort for hours without tiring. And a water-resistant control pod with included rain cover and waterproof coil means you can take it anywhere, anytime. Field, park, or beach is feature-packed, giving you the freedom to detect your way, including multi-IQ technology, beach advantage, pinpoint mode, adjustable volume, Bluetooth wireless audio, and 4 fine modes, including the ability to create a custom profile, waterproof coils, water-resistant control pod, and red LED backlight for low light vision. The Vanquish is available in an 8, 10, or 12-inch coil. More coils equal greater flexibility, detect deeper, more precisely, or in tighter space.
The Time Ranger Pro offers power and performance never before seen in bounty hunter metal detectors. Featuring advanced treasure hunting technologies like adjustable volume control of various targets, set target tone response to quickly identify a range of targets, one-touch computer-assisted ground balancing, on-the-fly ground mineralization level information. The Time Ranger Pro displays a buried object's ID as a 2-digit number in the center of the large LCD display screen. Quickly locate the precise location of the buried object and determine the buried object's depth by pressing the pinpoint button. The Time Ranger Pro is equipped with a deep-seeking, waterproof 11-inch Double D search coil. Lightweight metal detector only weighs 2.5 pounds, making it fun and enjoyable to use for almost anyone. Bounty Hunter proudly backs this American-made and designed metal detector with our industry-leading 5-year warranty. Time Ranger Pro, what will you find?
when I owned my first metal detector of RICOMAX. This dream came true. I dug up my first piece of treasure by a river, followed by more and more precious treasures with the mark of time. It's a story of destiny. RICOMAX guided my girl to the ring I had prepared for her. We got married and started a wonderful family. Now I have the love of my life and more, 3 lovely kids. They too can taste the joy of being a treasure hunter, just like their parents did. Find the treasure of this world, also the treasure of life. RICOMAX. Find every day's treasure.